Well, the war ended, and the American people are moving relentlessly westward. Westward. Oh, well. You know, there's some folks that reckon these wide open prairie lands ain't fitting for human beings. But we've planted acres of corn and wheat. Oh, sure, we live in sod huts, and the sun blazes in the summertime, and the wind comes whistling through with the snow in the winter. But we don't mind, 'cause we're a hardy bunch. And you know, we can't rightly decide what we like to do best. Lovin' or fighting.
Just 'cause I'm for brotherhood, love and peace and motherhood, no one pops the buttons off my vest. Yeehaw! But I can bust a maple tree clean in half across my knee, and I ain't inclined to be the kind of jest. Next to love and I like fighting, it's exciting. Next to love and I like fighting best. Next to being hugged and kissed, I like making me a fist. Next to love and I like fighting best. You just see a gentle soul, happy in a picey roll. You don't see no turkey you can roast. Yeehaw! But I can split an 8-foot rail with just my little fingernail, and I ain't inclined to be the kind of boast. Next to love and I like fighting, it's exciting. Next to love and I like fighting most. Next to poetry and prose, I like punching me a nose. Next to love and I like fighting most. Next to love and I like fighting most. I'm just like a bumblebee, sipping honey peacefully. Goodness knows I wouldn't hurt a fly. But if you walk around my hive, you'll be sorry you're alive, and I ain't inclined to be the kind of lie. Next to love and I like fighting, it's exciting. Next to love and I like fighting best. I don't have to come on tough, you can bet I'm tough enough. Next to love and I like fighting best. Next to love and I like fighting best. And that's my style, never frown when I can smile, happy as an ox without a yoke. But if you aggravate my scorn, you'll be sorry you were born, and I ain't inclined to be the kind of joke. Next to love and I like fighting, it's exciting. Next to love and I like fighting best. Next to smelling me a rose, I like stomping on some toes. Next to love and I like fighting best. Next to love and I